Merhaba arkadaşlar, benim adım Lukman. I am a Turkish teacher and today we will learn Turkish numbers, sayılar. So, start from here, dinleyelim. Let's listen, tekrar edelim. Let's repeat, yazalım. Let's write. So, we start numbers from 0. You need to remember these words, so listen the video carefully. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 Again 0 0 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 7 7 8 8 9 9 10 10. So if we want to write numbers after 10, we will write 11. 11 simply, 10 means 10, 1 means 1. 11 means 11. 12. 12 means 1, 10 and 2, 12. 12, 12. 3. 13, 13. 14, 14. 15, 15. 16, 16. 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, 20. What we said 20 in Turkish, we said 20. 20 means 20. 20. 30, 30. 30. If we want to say 39, we simply write 30, 30, 9. 30, 9. 30, 9 means 9, 39. 40, 40, 40. 50, 50. 60, 60. If we want to write 62, we will say 62, 62. 70, 70, 70. 80, 80. 90, 100. 100 means 100. Use 100. So if we want to write numbers after 100, we simply write use before the word, use first. Use means 100. If we want to write bead, we can write bead use 100, 20, 23. 123. If we want to write 300, we will write 300. 300 means 300 and 340. 340. 340 means 340. We can write numbers by this way. What we said 1000 in Turkish, we said bin. Bin means 1000. If we want to say 10,000 in Turkish, we said 10 bin. 10,000, 10,000. 100 bin. 100,000 means 1 lakh. 1 million. 1 million means 1 million. 1 million. 1 million. If we want to write 1 billion, we will write 1 milliard. 1 milliard. 1 milliard means 1 billion. 1 milliard. So after this we have this exercise. So first one is 25. 25, 25. 32. 30. 2, 32. 13. 10 means 10. 3, 13. 13. 42. 42 means 40. 40, 40 and 2, 42. 503. 503. 500 means 500 and 3 means 3. 503. 1020. 1000 bin and 20. 1020. 9. 9. What we said 9 in Turkish 9. 9. 81. 81 means 80 and bid 1. 82. 81. 31. 31. 31. 31. What we said 980 in Turkish. 900. 900 and what we said 80. 80. 980. What we said 19 in Turkey, 16 in Turkish, we said 16. 22 we will write 22. For this we will write 20 means 20. 20 bir 1 2 2. 22. What we said 84 in Turkish, we said 84. 84 84. So that was our class. Can you write these numbers here? You can write these numbers or not?